I usually play Adopt Me, but I wanted to try something different, so today I'm playing Don't Press the Button. But people keep pressing it. Oh no. This game is hard. Oh, there's a checkpoint. Perfect. Okay, so why am I going slow? Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna die on purpose. No, why? But it was there. Okay. Okay, this game is so hard. What does this potion do? Oh, it turns into you in a smoke. Ah! Quick! Yay! I already joined the group, so I can get like the chest prize. Do you know what I like to do? Like when someone's getting, I drink this potion to turn invisible. What? Okay. Maybe when I'm gonna press the button.
Knowledge.
What is that? Okay, that was just to try something. Bye, everyone.